Hello there, welcome back to the 365 Challenge, 365 guitar lessons in 365 days. We've already done a 1-bar loop and a 2-bar loop in the previous lessons. This time we're going for the big one. We're going to do a 4-bar loop. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to strum chords to define what those 4 bars are. I'm going to just hit muted strings. So my left hand is lying gently across all 6 strings and muting them. With my right hand, I'm going to play a rhythm. Now what I'm doing there is I'm sort of imitating a slightly funky drum beat. The bass drums, to imitate a bass drum, I'm going to hit the bass strings. To imitate a snare drum, I'm going to hit the treble strings. And the hi-hats, you can just leave those to your imagination. So I'm going to do 4 bars. I'm hitting the start button, the start record button of the looper on beat 1 of the first bar. I play 4 whole bars and I hit the stop button on beat 1 of what would be the 5th bar if there was going to be a 5th bar. You can't just press the button as soon as you've got to beat 4 or just after beat 4. It has to be on beat 1 of the next bar. In fact, what I should do is do it wrong. Let me do it wrong first. I'll show you how it sounds when you do it wrong. Okay, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what I did was I did 2 bars there, but I did it slightly early. Have a listen to how it sounds. What's going on there? Okay, so let's count our way through to see what's wrong with that. So we know, if we understand what's wrong with it, we will then understand how to get it right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there isn't a whole beat 4. On the second bar there isn't a whole beat 4 because I deliberately pressed the button too early to show you how to do it wrong. Now, if you do get it wrong, at this stage, start again. If you define the length of your loop incorrectly in the first place, there's no point in carrying on. And let me show you why. If you start adding chords and stuff over the top, it just goes wrong. So, here we go. Let's do... How am I supposed to play over the top of this? See? Just makes no sense. Okay? So, very important point that if you get the loop length with the bars and the beats, if you get it wrong in the first place, don't even bother. Throw it away, start again. Okay? So, let's go ahead and get it right. So here we go, 4 bars, start on beat 1, stop on beat 1 of what would be the 5th bar. Here we go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so let's listen back to that and see how it sounds. So, So there we have 4 complete bars, and we're ready to record something over the top. So check out the next video to see what it's going to be.